Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello, trainers. In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go on your Android device. It's an exciting way to enjoy your favorite adventure on the go, but it requires a bit of setup. We'll cover everything from the necessary hardware to getting your game running smoothly. Remember, a powerful Android smartphone is essential for the best experience, and always ensure you legally own the game you wish to emulate. Let's dive in and get started. To begin your Pokémon journey on Android, you'll need the right tools. A high-end Android device, preferably with a powerful Snapdragon processor, is highly recommended for optimal performance. Aim for at least 8 GB of RAM and Android 11 or a newer operating system. You'll also need a reliable Nintendo Switch emulator application, which acts as the bridge between your phone and the game. These specifications help ensure a smoother, more consistent gameplay experience. Setting up your emulator involves a few key steps. First, download and install a reputable Nintendo Switch emulator designed for Android. Next, you'll need to acquire the essential firmware and production keys, which are critical for the emulator to run games. Remember, these files should be obtained legally from your own Nintendo Switch console. Finally, place your legally dumped Pokémon Let's Go game files into a clearly organized folder on your device, ready for the emulator to access. Once everything is set up, you can optimize your gameplay. Experiment with emulator settings such as resolution scaling and custom GPU drivers to fine-tune performance. For a truly immersive experience, connecting an external Bluetooth controller is highly recommended, as touch controls can be challenging. Keep in mind that performance may vary depending on your device's power and the specific area within the game. With a little tweaking, you'll be enjoying Pokémon Let's Go on your Android device in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.